The United Nations is today on its trial. The world is watching. It will see how it acquits itself. There have been few periods in history when members of the Jewish race have not been persecuted in some part or the other of Europe. Since the end of the First World War, Palestine has taken over 400,000 Jewish immigrants. Since the start of the Jewish persecution in Nazi Germany, Palestine has taken almost 300,000 Jewish refugees. Those who talk loudest of humanitarian principles and can afford to do most have done the least at their own expense to alleviate this question. But they are ready, indeed they are anxious to be most generous at the expense of the Arab. Shall they be distributed among the member states according to their capacity to receive them? Australia, an overpopulated small country with congested areas, says, oh no. Canada, equally congested and overpopulated, says no. United States, very humanitarian, small area, small resources, says, oh no. That is their contribution to the humanitarian principle. But let them go into Palestine. Vast areas, large economy, no trouble. They can easily be taken in there. Let them go into Palestine. In effect, the proposal before the United Nations Assembly says, we shall decide. Not you, not the people of Palestine. No question of self-determination. You shall never belong to your people. What authority have UN to do this? What legal authority? What juridical authority have they to do this?